great day, everyone. Today, I will show you a walk-through in applying for a certificate of non-coverage in the CNC Online System. Let's start. To access the CNC Online System, you may visit the EMB website and go to the Online Services menu. In this video, we will be using the EMB Region 12 website, r12.emb.gov.ph. In the menu, click Services, then choose Online Services in the drop-down list. A new page will be loaded. It contains all the online systems of the EMB. Click the CNC Online application to proceed. You can also search for CNC Online in Google. The first link in the list is the CNC Online System of EMB. After you open the CNC Online System, you will be given to options. First, verify the coverage of your project and submit CNC application online. And the other is, update payment or track status of your CNC application. Since we are starting to apply for a CNC, we will click the first option to proceed with the application. In the next page, you will be asked to provide the project type. You may type a keyword in the search box, then click the filter button. Make sure to select the correct project type to avoid problems in your application. For example, you are applying a CNC for your restaurant or commercial building. In the search box, you may type commercial, and all the related project type will be shown. Select the most applicable to your project. Or, you may type restaurant for a more detailed filtering of the project type. Next step is to provide the project size. There is a text box beside the project type you selected. Type the correct value based on your actual project. Make sure that the value you type follows the correct unit of measure. If the required value is in hectare, you need to convert the area of your project if it is in square meters. For example, your restaurant has a gross floor area of 600 square meters. When converted to hectare, it is equivalent to 0.06. Then, click the Next button to proceed. In the next page, you need to answer the screening questions. The first question is whether your project is an environmental enhancement. These are projects that are implemented to address existing environmental problems or directly improve the quality of the environment. Example of which are flood control projects and river protection projects. Next question is if the project is part of an existing project with an approved ECC. Project with existing ECC may apply for amendment or relief at the office with jurisdiction over the project area prior to applying for CNC. The next question is if the project area is more than 1 hectare. The fourth question asks you if the project is within protected area. If you are not aware or familiar with the different protected areas covered by the NIPAS, you may click the link provided in the online system. The fifth question is whether you are using or storing toxic and hazardous materials or substances. And finally, you will be asked for the truthfulness and correctness of your answers in the screening questions. Please be reminded that misrepresentation in the CNC application is grounds for cancellation of the certificate and subject to legal procedure of the EMB. Once finished, click the Verify Coverage button to proceed. The next screen is the one-page application form for CNC. Answer the form properly and correctly. Make sure that there are no typographical errors. In the specific address, you just need to type the street, CDO, and barangay. No need to include the municipality and province. There is a separate drop-down list for that for you to select. Make sure that the correct address is typed and selected. Answer the rest of the form based on your application. you will be asked to provide an active email address. Type your email address, then click the email verification code. Open your email address, then copy the code sent to your email. I would advise to copy and paste it to avoid error. Paste the code in the text box for validation code. Once finished, don't forget to read the acknowledgement text, which states that, by clicking the Save button below, you acknowledge that all information you provided in this page were truthful and accurate. And that EMB is not prevented from validating, requesting additional information, deny an application, or cancel the certificate if the information provided herein and the documents/evidence submitted in support thereof appeared to be dubious or made to circumvent what otherwise would require an application for an ECC. Finally, click the Save Request Order of Payment button. The order of payment and copy of sworn statement generated by the online system will be sent to the email address you provided. Pay the application fee at any land bank branch or through their online payment portal. Make sure to sign and notarize the sworn statement provided by the online system. Then, prepare all the requirements for CNC application. Make sure that all these requirements are in PDF format. If you need assistance in converting files into PDF, I made a separate video tutorial for that. Just go to my channel and search for the video. Once everything is ready, go back to CNC Online. In the CNC Online page, click the second option Update Payment or Track Status of your CNC application. You will then be asked to provide the application reference number to verify your application. In the next page, you need to provide again the application reference number and the order of payment number. These information are in the order of payment provided by the system. Once the system verified your application, in the next page, check if the correct application is selected based on the project name, address, and proponent shown. Then, provide payment details. Choose if the payment was made over the counter or through online. Type the transaction reference number, which can be found in the bank receipt provided by Land Bank. Provide the correct date of payment and the amount is provided by default. Next, you need to upload all the requirements of your CNC application. Just click the button Choose File beside each of the requirements. A dialog box will appear, search for the PDF file you prepared, then click the Open button. Wait for a few moments until the color of text of the document you are uploading turns to color blue. Once it is color blue, it signifies that the requirement was successfully attached. Then, proceed with the next requirements. Make sure to attach all the correct PDF file of each requirements. If your project is within protected area, an additional slot will be provided by the online system, so that you can attach the PAMB clearance of your application. Once finished, don't forget to read the acknowledgement text before you click the button Submit Supporting Documents. After clicking this button, you will be notified that your application is successfully completed and a copy of the certificate was sent to your email address. Just open your email, and you can download and print your CNC. This auto-approved application is still subject to validation by the EMB Regional Office. Thank you for watching this video. Check out other videos in my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification button to keep you updated of my future videos. Thank you.